Hi guys, it's Debbie, and I just came on to show you what I'm doing just to make my life a little easier. And in this pan, let's see, I started off with a package of 2-pound pack of hamburger. And I put 1 pound in here with a lot of salt and pepper. Well, you know, a decent amount of pepper and salt because it's a lot. And I just sauteed the ground beef for a few minutes, and then I threw the peppers and onions in, and then I drained it. So now this is at the draining stage. And oh, by the way, I'm making sloppy joes because you know, of course, I don't even tell you guys what I got going on. And so what I did was I cut up some peppers and onions for the taco, because I'm making taco mix too. So I haven't told you that yet either, because you know how crazy I am. So this hamburger is going to be for taco seasoning, and I got a little pack right here. And so I'm making 2 meals, but I'm only cooking one time. So this is how I make my sloppy joes. This is how my mom made it. We just use good old ketchup, and you got to put a little water. It's starting to stick because I'm talking too much. And let's see. Let me show you what else I got going on. I'm making cookies over here. These are the what do you call them? The whoopie pie cookies, and they're made out of pumpkin. And there they are. And there's the frosting. And I need some water. So let's get some water. Okay, I'm not sure how much. This was 1 pound of meat, so probably about a half a cup of water. We'll see. And probably about a cup of ketchup, but you put as much as you want. You could put more or less. Make sure you drain the grease though. That's just water in there. And when this gets done cooking, that water will make like a sauce. It'll be juicy and delicious. So those are my sloppy joes. And I'll probably have one for dinner, of course. And then I'll probably, well, I will freeze the rest. Yeah, it definitely needs more ketchup. So make sure you have a lot of ketchup in case you want more, need more. Yeah, so now that's perfect. And now I'm going to add more salt and pepper because, oh my God, my dad, whenever he used to eat these, he'd always put a lot of pepper on all his food. But, and then now the older I get, the more pepper I put on my food. And it's just funny. His food always tasted better whenever we ate something off of his plate or something. And I see why now, because he put a lot of pepper. So yeah, so basically those are done. I'm going to let them cook, you know, for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to take care of that and start a new pan with the taco mix. Do the same thing. Put the onions in, make the mix, drain the juice, do your taco seasoning, just like you would normally do. And then I'm going to put that in the freezer, so I'll have taco meat in the freezer. And this way, I have a couple meals prepped. Because even though I love to cook, and I do, I love to cook, I don't always want to cook. Because some days, you know, you're just not in the mood, and you just want to come out here and grab something. Like, let's see. I'll show you guys what I have in my freezer. It's kind of dark over here, but let's see. Well, I got some bacon, of course, some ham, but all broke up in little pieces. I got a couple burritos that I meal prepped ahead. I have some sausage, Italian hot sausage, a couple of hot dogs, buns, like I'm going to use those for my sloppy joes, and this is some tortilla shells. You just pull them out, let them thaw. Bananas, butter. I always keep extra butter, and I always keep extra bread, and that's a hot dog bun. Oops. Yeah, so you should keep your stuff stocked up. Mine's not, because I just starting my pantry because I'm just moving in here. So Okay, but anyway, so give this a try. It'll make your life a little bit easier, and prepping has changed my life, that's for sure. And anyway, so stop back for the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, because I need subscribers so I can put out some more content for you guys. And I do need to get an editing program, because I don't have the one I used to have. So that's why I haven't been putting out as many videos, but I'm working on it. And just be patient, because I got a lot more to come. Alright, thanks guys. See you on the next one.